Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you how you can crochet this cute little flower. And I like the petals, the look of it. And it's not that difficult to make. And I left my tails over here because I want to make a keychain out of it. And I want to make a butterfly too, and I'll be showing that in another video, but I just wanted to keep this on so I can figure out how I want to make a keychain, and maybe I need these threads to attach it to each other. So this is what I want to show you, how you can crochet this cute little flower. So I've got some yarn, and it looks like cotton, but it's actually acrylic yarn, and it's a Caricia Frescor, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's 100% acrylic yarn, and we need a hook 3mm, so I've got one over here. So if you hear any noise outside, they are renovating a house somewhere in the street, so I'm sorry for that noise, but I can't help it. I'm gonna leave a longer tail than normal because I want to have some yarn which I can attach to something else, or maybe add some beads when I'm making my keychain. And then we're going to make a magic circle. So make a loop and hold your finger on a cross section over here, and then grab your yarn, put it through the magic circle, and then we're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to make a double triple crochet. That means we're going to make a yarn over 3 times. In the magic circle, draw up a loop and don't make it too high. I'm going to leave it quite close to the magic circle. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So here's your first double triple crochet. I'm gonna do that 2 more times. So yarn over 3 times. In the magic circle, draw up a loop and keep it close to the magic circle. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 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 So one more time. Gonna yarn over 3 times. In that magic circle, draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So we have our chain 4, and we made 3 double triple crochets, and you can see how it looks. I really like this look of it for this flower. Now I'm gonna chain 4. And I'm going to slip stitch into the magic circle and keep it snug. So put your hook in the magic circle, drop a loop and keep it close to the magic circle, and then pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. And you can see it's going like this, but you can also shove it back through to that petal. So this over here we're going to repeat for 4 more times. So we're going to chain 4. I'm going to make a double triple crochet, so yarn over 3 times. In that magic circle, drop a loop and keep it close to the magic circle. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 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 So again, yarn over 3 times. In that magic circle, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So one more time, yarn over 3 times. In that magic circle, drop a loop and keep it close to the magic circle, so everything will be nice and snug. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you have chain 4 and then 3 times a double triple crochet, and now make another chain 4 and then make a slip stitch. You can see I'm holding both yarns of the tail and the magic circle, and now make a slip stitch in the magic circle and keep it nice and snug. So do this three more times now. I'm going to show you one more time a little bit faster. So chain 4, make a double triple crochet, and make one more double triple crochet, and make one more double triple crochet, now chain 4 and make a slip stitch in that magic circle. And you can shove it back like this and you have your next petal. Now do this 2 more times, and I'll do this off camera and I'll show you how to end this flower. Okay, so I made my last petal with a chain 4, 3 times the double triple crochet, and now we need to chain 4 and then make one more slip stitch in that magic circle. I'm cutting my yarn, and then what I like to do is to take the tail and pull it through the loop on my hook and secure it. And now I'm gonna take the tail of the magic circle and I'm gonna pull it, and just see how your flower will be nice and flat. So don't pull it too tight or else this is happening. You can see that the petals are going up a little bit, so make sure it's nice and flat. And if it's really too curly, then maybe you need a bigger hook size. And now what I like to do is to take, this is the front and this is the back, so take the ends and I'm gonna make a knot, but the first one I'm gonna pull the thread 2 times around that loop, and then just one more knot, just like a regular knot, to secure it. And then there is your little flower. You can make it more sturdy by adding some sugar water to it and leave it to dry, and maybe block your work, or maybe diluted white glue, put it on it and then just leave it to dry, and then your flower will be a little bit more stiff. I'm gonna leave these on because I don't know if I want to add some beads to it, but or maybe you can attach it with these strings to maybe a sweater, or you can do a lot of it with this flower. But my goal was to make a keychain out of it. Maybe you can make a thing, maybe if you want to add green to this and make a long stem, and you can put it between your book what you're reading. So there are a lot of different things you can make with it. You can also make a bunting out of it, maybe for like in a kid's room. Then just make a little bunting. I have a yellow one, so maybe this is also an option. So there are a lot of things you can do with it. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on a notification so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.